Hey, the bit about to the bumper, and a corner to the head, square through 4. Swing through, everybody. AC-doocy. Boy, you're not a partner. Bend the line, you dance in the middle and back it. And a lot of through. Half sachet. Pass the ocean. Explode the wave. Chase right. Right hand hinge. And a lot of grand. Meet a girl in the front of me to take a right back home around the world. Where to get back down the line. Cycles lead to the right, swing through. Boy, you're not an girl now. Bend the line, touch water now, circulate. Boy, you're not an girl. Left hand, touch water. Do the walk and dodge, wheel around. Dixie style, make a wave. Boy, cross run. Explode the wave. Left chase. Left hand hinge, boys hinge, diamond circulate. Cut your diamonds, linear cycle. Find a line, up to the middle and come right back. And on through, everybody. Slide through, swing through, and go. AC-doocy, and on grand. Meet a girl, promenade to get her home. We'll get back down the line. Hip pair, touch 1/4, spread apart. Side 2 pair, pass the ocean. Everybody check a diamond. Diamond circulate. Cut the diamonds. Ferris wheel. Hopefully 4 girls in the middle. Girls swing through in the middle and they go. No clapping, ping pong circulate. X10, board on it and a girl. And a lot of 3, everybody get around the world. Load your boat. Swing through, everybody. Boy, you're running out and girl. Now bend the line, pass through. Cast off 3/4. Line dance up to the middle and back. Fan the top. Girl 3. Swing through. Boy, you're running out and girl. Bend the line. Grand swing through. Boy, run right, crossfire. Scoop back, turn ball. Boy, not a girl, line, you dance in the middle and back. A pass through, castle 3. Line up to the middle and back. A pass through, wheel and deal. Zoom out, in the middle, pass through. Out of the middle, up the corner. Come by and now, should be close. Home around the world, you know. Hip pair, left square through 4. Left swing through. Boy fold behind the girls. Peel the top and recycle him. Find the line, 8 to the middle and back in. And another 3, everybody. Touch 1/4. Circulate it. Coordinate, all the boys are gonna trade, the girls are gonna move up. Couples circulate, bend the line, left hand touch 1/4, coordinate, bend the line, half sachet him, line dance up to the middle and back, grotto through, pass the ocean, all 8 circulate and go swing through, AC-doocy. Boy, not and a girl, you bend your line 8 to the middle and back it. And on the 3, everybody. Pass through, wheel and deal, center, sweep 1/4, back away, the others lead right. And a man on and a man, a corner girl, should be close. One more turn, side square through 4. Swing through, everybody. Boy, not and a girl. Bend the line, go on the 3, turn the day to get around and rain. 8 pass the ocean, swing through. Explode the wave. Partner trade, everybody's sent apart, load the boat. In the the middle, square through three, the others trade. Out a minute of lift down, man, the corner girl should be close. Way to get by on last one. All four boys. Out a minute lift. For the corner. Bound to the partner. Turn you bound to the corner. Gives up a nice hand. You should have seen that from here. Four boys are